Welcome to KP Law News. Finally getting a story out of Florida, the home state. Well, not the home state, the state I live in at this time. And this is about a deputy getting arrested. What is going on? Well, let's check out the news story we got right here. It's out of Indian River County, Florida. So let's check it out. See what's going on over there in Indian River.
We had a deputy arrested early this morning. So this case dates back to early October. A victim came forward and advised us that she was afraid that one of the deputies was stalking her, that she was afraid that he was going to escalate what was happening. Our team took that into consideration. They identified the deputy. They started looking at and you're going to have this. This is all in the arrest affidavit. One of the reasons why we're delayed is it's a 30-page arrest affidavit. You're going to get a copy of it for yourself before you leave here.
I want one.
In the affidavit, you'll see that he was driving around this lady's residence. He was outside of his assigned patrol area, that he was doing things on duty very inappropriate. He was sending text messages. He was cyber stalking her. He was physically stalking her. And the reason that we're asking for your help, last Friday, I stood right here and I told you about a doctor that we had concerns that there were other victims on. We've had 20 people come forward since last Friday, 20 people about that doctor. Our team has been very busy, as you can see. They're going to follow up on every single one of those complaints. 20 people on that case. So again, whether you're a doctor or a deputy or anybody in a trusted position, we're going to hold you accountable. Doesn't matter who you are. We're going to make sure that there's justice for these victims. And in this case, just like the last one, we believe there are more victims. We conducted a search warrant on this deputy's cell phone, his personal cell phone. We found really disturbing things on there that he was sending to a variety of different people. We've identified other victims already. Some want to cooperate, some maybe not so much. This is the deputy, Deputy Sam Ehrman. He has 2 charges against him. One charge is stalking, and one charge is criminal misuse of agency computers. He did search his victim in this case using our agency database. He got information about where she lived. And so he is being charged with that felony as well as the stalking felony. Again, I want to reiterate, if you've been a victim, if you've been stopped by this guy, if you've had a contact, he's reaching out through social media. There's many different ways that he's reached out to victims. We want to hear from you. If you're a victim in this case, just like the doctor case, we're going to take you seriously. We're going to listen to what you have to say, and we're going to move forward with that. And so all 3 of these have kept us very busy. We've got a lot going on here. I know you guys probably have some questions. We'll provide you with as much as we can. We want to be open and transparent with this case, as with all of our cases as we do. So with that, I'll take your questions.
You said there were some disturbing things in his phone. Can you describe what the disturbing things
are? I'm not going to get into the details, but it's in the affidavit. I'll leave that to you. If you want to put that on the air, that's up to you.
The last name Ehrman, is he related anyway to the county commissioner?
Yes.
Can you tell us how?
That's his son. Mm-hmm.
How long has he been a deputy?
He started in 2015, so 10 years. He was terminated earlier today. He is no longer employed here at the Indian River County Sheriff's Office.
Did he ever have any previous record of wrongdoing within the department?
There's some minor
issues. Take his certification away.
Nothing like this. Nothing that we're aware of.
That's it. That's it for that press conference. Yeah. He was son of somebody. I didn't catch that. Ehrman, Indian River, but he's been employed for 10 years stalking. Well, go back 10 years with the stalking, but probably been a few years. Multiple victims, they say, are still going to come forward. Indian River, hopefully he got fired. Well, he did get fired. Hopefully he'll lose his certification so he can't move to another agency here in Florida somewhere. Like the last story about the cops over there in East Tennessee moving from agency to agency after bad discipline. So I don't know. Let me know. Let me know in that comment section what y'all think about this situation. I appreciate everybody watching. Everybody have a good day. KP Law News out.